Fellow citizen behaving strange on the road. Police don't want to believe your story.
Nextbase dashcam.
Compatible with Android and iPhones. Sticker, you can put it on your window. Manual with a Q recorder. That's the mounting leg. Long cables, 4-meter cable, so will fit to any vehicle. Extra mounting strip. That's the lever to place the cable, and PC cable and the device itself.
Satisfaction.
Magnetic mount, which is very strong magnets. It means it won't fall off when you're in an accident. Also, very strong magnets. And of course, you can change the direction if you wanted to. What's on the top? On the top, we do have power, speaker, power button, micro SD slot. You can also buy original memory card. Specs are in here. There you go. If you want to connect a second camera, then you could connect a second camera to film inside of your car. And emergency button. Let me power it on. You can also use it with a phone charger. Look how quickly, and it's recording already. Okay, let's hit menu. And in the menu, we have setup, screensaver, alerts, parking mode, recording history, languages. How many languages do we got? That's a lot of languages. Date format, speed units, drive, all kinds of settings. Driver assistance, reverse camera, SOS, video settings. You can change the resolution. For this camera, it's maximum Full HD 60. Exposure, video length, audio on and off, speed stamps, all kinds of stamps, GPS stamps, timestamps, model stamp. Resolution, I already said that, okay. And G-sensor, you can even put your license plate. G-sensor, what does that mean? It means in an accident, it will record emergency video. You can set it on high, low, or off. What is that button? That's the emergency video button. It will lock your video in a separate folder. It means it won't be over recorded in a loop. It's in a separate folder, so it'll stay there forever. If you want to turn it off, just hit stop. There you go. You can also play and watch. Let's see a sample. An audio test. Audio test, built-in audio in the camera, built-in audio, test. Built-in microphones. Full HD 60, like you can see, license plates are very nicely visible. We are riding to the sun, so there's a lot of reflections on the side, but still a very, very nice view. You have all kinds of data at the bottom, your latitude, your mileage, time and date. Full HD 60, that's plenty enough for you. Night, it's decent. You can see the license plate. In the app, you could have a live view. You can see that's very nice. Or your library information, which one is locked and which one is not. Map, telemetry. Okay, this is a telemetry info. When, speed, and even audio is pretty good. Live with speed. It's fantastic. Price of one ticket. You have peace of mind and be secure for life in your car. Link in the description.